Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set double tap to turn off the screen in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. Suppose when your phone screen is turned on, and now if you would like to turn off your phone screen immediately without touching your side key, that is power key, just you can double tap on the blank area just like this to turn off your screen. Okay, so how to do it, how to set up it, just to learn. Okay, just follow. First of all, you have to go to the settings of your phone. Here, go to settings. Okay, then go to shortcuts and accessibility. Go to shortcuts and accessibility here, then go to smart motion here, and here we will have smart screen on off. Just click on that, and here just you go to click on double tap to turn off. Just tap on it. Yes, now go to the home screen, and on blank area anywhere on your home screen, just double tap and your phone screen will be now turned off automatically. Yes, see, to turn it on, again you got to enter your password. Okay, so because it is locked, okay, see here. So in this way you can easily set up double tap to turn off the screen in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.